So this is my submission for ETH Denver. This is the website. It's Foresight-Fi. It's a prediction market using Uniswap v4 on Unichain. So I'm just gonna quickly go through it. So looking at the prediction. Hello, Unichain needs 1 million CL. And for 30 days, which is very quick, obviously. We'll do 100 USD soon. Don't want to do 3. I hope I have this much use. I don't remember. So we're gonna improve it. We're gonna let that go through first. We can start a price ratio wherever we want. I'm just gonna say 50%. I think it's pretty likely. So actually, let's try 60%. Pretty supportive of Uniswap. And it does take a moment to refresh the. I might just refresh the faster. So there we go. Spam. Create. Now we're gonna create it. Created. This what you want to reach. Key registration. So there's 3 steps basically. The first step is key registration. So you would normally wouldn't see everything, but I'm trying to do it faster. So finally, it went through. I do have to be very careful at the moment because it will encrypt sometimes without anything being there, and it can mess it up. So first, what we have to do is you gotta submit a common public key. So someone could submit their own public key, which is what it's right here for. But generally, for this, people need to submit a common public one just for testing. And how it's algorithm encryption, so it's threshold based, so multiple people can submit their own. Say now just increment by 1. You can see that's what it looks like. That looks terrible. But yeah, you register that 1 key. That you have it. That transaction went through. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer to make sure, and we're gonna let it go. Okay. Then we're gonna send an encrypted vote. So this encrypted vote is gonna take any number of keys. It could be like many keys, and then it can form a single public key and encrypt it along with like a random number, and then submit that. And because of ungamble encryption is multiplicative, you can basically keep sending that number over again. You can keep voting yes or no, yes or no. And for each prime number is basically a vote. So 2 is for zeroth option, 1. So basically 2 is no, 3 is yes. So we're going to send an encrypted vote, which basically means we're encrypting a 3 and sending it over. And I can show what some of the proofs look like on the authentic. So you can see the validators are approving it. This is the ZK proof. This is basically saying it's valid. This is what the ciphertext looks like. Just as an example. See, originally it was nothing because there were no votes. And then now that's what it looks like. So we're gonna go back. It's gonna look really bright again, I'm sorry. As you can see, it updated. So now normally what you do is you'd wait, you accumulate your votes, and then you'd want to start decrypting. So you have to use the same key, but now it's the private key. So now you're going to use the common private decryption private key, and you're going to add a decrypted share. So we're going to confirm. And what this is doing is it's taking this total sum, total, that was really quick, that total ciphertext right here. So every time you multiply, it keeps multiplying onto these ciphertexts with your votes. It takes that total one, and it begins a decryption process on it. So let's keep going. I went through. I'm going to wait a little longer because I can't always trust the finishing time. Okay, now we can decrypt. So if it worked, it should say yes. So, so it worked. So ready to finalize my results. What's cool about this though, one of my favorite parts is that sending an encrypted vote and finalizing are both sponsored transactions because you're just querying the AVS, which is actually really nice because one of the biggest pain points with UMA, who's a settler just like this one, they're also not such powerful. Yes, the winner was yes, it worked. Awesome. So, the winner's also optimistic Oracle. This is super nice because you don't have to make those gas transactions. Yep, AVS works, which is sick. Here's the Uniswap curve. I do have testing for the Uniswap curve. As you can see, the pricing did show up correctly. 50 cents. If that makes sense. We don't have any. Maybe they spent all the USDCs for a bit more. Hopefully this video is not too long. I don't want to make it too long. But essentially, with this nice eye, kind of just show the movement of the protocol. But yeah, basically you mint USDC. You can exchange the USDC right here for prophecy tokens, which are no and yes. And then on that curve, so let's say you think no, then you would swap your yes tokens to no. If you thought yes, you'd swap your no tokens to yes. And that's how you move through. And then at the very end, when it settles, I haven't added that feature yet. That'd be for next steps. You would then exchange your no or yes tokens for the even amount of USDC, which it already works on the smart contract level because, as you can see, if you put $1 in, you get 40 cents of a no and 60 cents of a yes. Point 0.4 no, point 0.6 yes. So like it's always going to even out. So eventually when one side gets picked, it will be 1 to 1, if that makes sense. That's how it works. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the website.